I have a '05 Dixie Chopper and the battery is not charging. I have replaced the battery in the starter, and it is still not charging. It puts out 12.2 and occasionally 14.3, predominantly 12.2, and occasionally 9.8, 8.3 but most consistently 12.2. After about 2 hours of mowing, the mower will not restart until recharged. All the fuses have been checked, including the inline resistor/fuse coming off the ignition switch.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. The engine has a stator and a voltage regulator/rectifier for charging the battery. The stator is under the flywheel and should put out over 28 volts AC. The regulator, mounted on the fan housing of the engine, should change the AC volts to DC. And should be half of the stator voltage in DC volts. From the readings you were finding, it appears the voltage regulator is bad. Check the wiring at and from the regulator, and if it is good, replace the regulator. THW output of the regualtor should go direct to charge the battery. Let me know. Thank you.
Thank you for your response. I will check this when I get home.
Okay.
We are having terrible rain here in Florida. It will probably be this weekend before I can check it.
We could use a little of it here in Texas. No problem, get to it when you can. Thanks for the reply.
Good morning, Curtis. I would say your suggestion is a very probable lead. I have not been able to get into it yet. I will say you have been very timely in your responses, and I am happy that I found this site. So to answer your question, I am very happy so far.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.